Good afternoon, this is Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're in front of 2343 East Pecan Road. This is a beautiful 2,085 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Let's go ahead and go inside. First thing you see when you enter is the family room with the stone-faced wall and fireplace. As you come up to your right, you have the wrought iron staircase. This is a former model home, complete with built-in surround sound, great fixtures. Look at the stone-faced wall, and this fireplace is actually dual-sided. So as we come around, you can see this. It's just off the kitchen. Now the architectural details in this home, like the arch, granite, staggered cabinets, nice sized glass pantry, arched doorways. These are the details you find only in the former model homes. Speakers. While we're over here, let's go ahead and go out back. A great pavered patio. The fireplace, great wood burning fireplace, shed, a little pergola. Now the pergola may or may not stay, that can be negotiable. A little grass area for any pets or kids. And you got speakers. Let's go back inside. Downstairs, you do have water closet for your company. As we come back through the family room on our way upstairs, I wanted to point out a couple of things. First, the wrought iron stairwell. You got great architectural details for a painting, for example, and over here you have a great spot with a window. Go upstairs. Alright, as we come to the top of the stairs, to the right, you have the guest bathroom. And right next to that, you have a bedroom. In this case, she has it set up as an office. See that there's a walk-in closet. Let's go ahead and go across the stairs. And to your left, your upstairs laundry. So convenient. Helps not going up and down the stairs every single time to go to the bedrooms. And just off of that, bedroom number 2. This is a very nice sized bedroom, and as I come over here you can kind of see how they did the little cutout to give it a lot more space. Walk-in closet over there. And now let's take it to the master. And the master is very nice sized. Left, you have the first of the dual walk-in closets. See speakers in the ceiling, another benefit of the former model home. And then to the right, you have your bathroom, which is dual sinks, vanity in the middle, curtains off in the corner, shower. Water closet here, and then just next to that is the other closet. This is a nice long closet. So dual closets, dual sinks, and as I come back around, here too. Speakers throughout the entire home. This is a gorgeous 2,085 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Located right off of South Mountain.